I'm really mad. I should have been greedy and played. He's a smiley face, but he was face down last time, so I had no idea that Slimer. I should have played for him, even though I had 1, 2. Yeah, this one, he was in the dead zone. Yeah, we need him. It's good you're gonna pull him out. And then look, I want to play for the Hulk monkey. I played for this one, but he's in the dead zone. First play, Josh wasn't here last time for the Ghostbusters plush. Oh yeah, oh, you're gonna get him. Look at he's like smiling. Darn, I wish I would have played for that Slimer now. And this was, he's kind of buried. Maybe unbury him and see if he's a smiley or a gross Slimer. Oh, hold him, hold him. 3, all right, one more try. You put in 4 instead of 5? Oh, but you're gonna get him this time. Look at that. You don't need 5. Gonna put in some tokens.
Yep.
I think it'd be tough to try to unbury that slime. Both the Slimers. Darn. Wish I would have played for him last week now. Just use the other side. The Iron Man's cool. Alright, you going for the Stay Puft again?
Probably.
Putting in some more tokens. Alright, 4 more. Good luck. Oh, grab him, yes. Oh, hold him, hold him, hold him. Shaking. She held on to him. Sweet. $5 challenge for you. Oh, awesome, Josh. Sweet. First one for you. Let me see him. Oh, yeah, he's cool. Alright, that's what I say. Dig that one, or you can try it. Don't know, but I can see in the reflection that this one has a smiley. Now, and Captain America, he's cool. I don't think we have one of him, do we? Let's get him off of the Slimer.
Slipped right through.
Darn. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. Why didn't I just play for them last week?
Slipping right over him. I have to get this one off the top.
Yeah, darn it. That Captain America bear actually looks like he's in a good spot, but I'd rather focus on the Slimer. Oh, yeah. Wow, it's a pinnable.
$5.
$5 challenge. Alright. I want to go into the corner, obviously, and try and dig out.
Oh.
Yeah, grab it, grab it, grab it.
Oh no. That's where I was, yeah.
Damn, oh well. I didn't play for an Angry Bird last time I was here.
Let's get
I'll play 50 cents. I like the one with... this machine I probably should go for one close to the shoe. Let's see how it grabs. Oh, it went down crazy.
That was weird.
again. Let's get started.
Alright, I only put in 1. I'm gonna go for this one with the bow. Or maybe one that's a little bit bigger. Terrance, I love it. Hold him. Oh, sweet. Awesome. That was a couple bucks though, $2. He's cool. Did you want to play for one?
I'll play this one.
Let's see if not, play with that one with the bow.
Let's get started.
Oh, and look at the pig, little pig next to it.
Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get
Started
started.
with $4, dropping in $2. Oh, it's so soft. Wow, it's actually a really nice little plush. Going for the big bird? No, he's the green one in the about the side. Oh no! Oh no! Time's running! Oh no! Oh, I just looked at your timer and said time's running
That
out.
was my fault.
Gosh, is this only 15?
Yeah, it's only 15. I forgot.
Go for that. One of these ones. Go for the pig. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I like their names. Stella, Bubbles, Hal. It's cute. Oh, hold it. Oh, flinging it. Oh, I have 50 cents. I just need to get tokens. Did you want to play again? No? Alright, next time. One scoop and won the coolest thing in there. Oh my gosh, look, there's a cowtail in there. Oh, there's one by the chute. He just won the coolest candy. It was Spider-Man. Spider-Man candies. I think you get a good scoop. You get a candy factory. That's cute. Did you win a cowtail? What did you win? Ah, boo. But you won the cool. This was cool. This is what I said was cool. Oh, sorry, I knocked it out. Candy sticks. Cool. This Stay Puft is really neat. This was Josh's first Ghostbuster win. He wasn't with me the first day when I played for the other Ghostbusters. And this is our very first Angry Bird that we won. So he's actually really soft. This is a really neat plush. If we ever go back to the Santa Fe and that machine's still there, I'm going to probably play for some more of those. That was fun. It was only 50 cents. Much better than the dollar machine. Thanks for watching. Good luck clawing.